You must without a doubt have heard that ginger is a not unusual ingredient in Asian and Indian cuisine, but did you know that it's been used for hundreds of years for its restoration properties? Ginger has a long history of health benefits, together with remedy from nausea, digestive problems and ache. The most commonly used part of the plant for medicinal purposes is the root or underground stem, called the rhizome. It can be consumed fresh, powdered, dried as a spice, or used in the shape of an oil or as juice. If you don't use ginger on your kitchen, right here are 8 reasons why you might need to start. 1. Ginger relieves digestive issues. The phenolic compounds in ginger had been proven to help relieve irritation inside the gastrointestinal tract. They help to stimulate saliva and bile production whilst allowing food and fluids to transport through the GI tract more smoothly. In a study of 24 healthful individuals, taking 1.3 grams of ginger powder earlier than a meal increased emptying of the stomach, decreasing indigestion through 50%. 2. Ginger relieves nausea. Drinking ginger tea or even eating raw ginger is a common and safe home cure for nausea, specifically at some point of cancer treatment or being pregnant and morning sickness. An assessment of 12 research that protected a complete of 1,278 pregnant ladies found that 1.1 to 1.5 grams of ginger appreciably decreased nausea. 3. Ginger can relieve pain. A have a look at conducted on the University of Georgia discovered that daily ginger supplementation decreased muscle ache by means of 25%. Ginger has additionally been observed to reduce pain during menstrual cycles. Researchers also accept as true with that ginger is powerful at decreasing the everyday progression of muscle ache. 4. Ginger reduces inflammation. Osteoarthritis is a common health problem that entails the degeneration of the joints in the body, causing joint ache and stiffness. In a trial of 247 human beings with osteoarthritis of the knee, people who took ginger extract had much less ache and required much less pain medication. 5. Ginger may reduce risk of heart disease. In a recent look at related to individuals with kind 2 diabetes, researchers observed that 2 grams of ginger powder every day reduced blood sugar and caused a 10% overall reduction over a duration of 12 weeks. High blood sugar is a major danger factor for coronary heart disorder. With the outcomes of ginger on blood sugar, your danger of heart sickness may be diminished through at least 10%. 6. Ginger may lower cholesterol levels. A 45-day study concerning 85 humans with excessive LDL cholesterol concluded that 3 grams of ginger powder every day caused tremendous reductions in levels of cholesterol. Researchers trust that ginger can resource in lowering cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of coronary heart disease. 7. Ginger may have anti-cancer properties. A substance in ginger known as 6-gingerol has been studied as an alternative treatment for several types of cancer. Research on this theory is still being conducted, but one study found that 2 grams of ginger extract each day significantly reduced pro-inflammatory signaling molecules within the colon. 8. Ginger may improve brain function. Oxidative pressure and chronic inflammation are 2 factors that can accelerate the aging process, and turn out to be a key driver of Alzheimer's disorder and different age-associated cognitive impairments. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants and bioactive compounds in ginger can inhibit inflammatory responses that occur inside the brain. In a have a look at of 60 middle-aged ladies, ginger extract was shown to improve reaction time and running memory, suggesting that ginger supports brain health in a couple of ways. If you like the video, please don't forget to like it. For more beneficial healthy information, subscribe to channel.